Hi, this is Real World Audio, and I have a special announcement. And that special announcement is that there is a fantastic mini series coming up. It will be 3 episodes, and I will be focusing on loudspeaker analysis from a company called Focal. And these are the small Sopras from Focal. Well, small, they're still huge speakers, but I am going to have a look at the amazing Grande Utopias by Focal, which is the pinnacle of high-end audio today. And I'm going to analyze these utopias for you. I have noticed that everyone loves a good loudspeaker analysis. And it turned out to be a 3-part series. And at the first part, I'm going to have a look at the size of these loudspeakers. They are enormous. And going to have a look at the implication of the size. Are they utilizing all the advantages that this enormous size represent? So basically, we are going to have a look at these high efficient loudspeakers that are 94 dB efficient based on the information that we know about them. So that's like really exciting, and let's have a look at that, a deep look. So the first episode will be about efficiency and sensitivity. The second episode will be an epic comparison between the Altec Voice of the Theater A5 loudspeaker and these utopias. And I think that comparison needs to be made because those Altecs were the pinnacle of loudspeaker engineering 70-80 years ago. And almost a century later, we have these Grand Utopias, which are the pinnacle of today's engineering. So I'm going to have a look at what has changed during almost a century, during those 70-80 years. And that will be a very shocking comparison that will probably shake the pants for many of us. And the third part will be on the tonality, on the frequency response curve of them, and we will see why they are high-end loudspeakers, and we can also already get a hint of what is the difference between high fidelity and high-end audio. And thank you everyone for tuning in. Please be on the lookout for these 3 amazing videos on the most iconic high-end loudspeaker ever. And these will be coming out on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So check out my channel on these 3 days because these videos on the Grand Utopia will be revealed. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.